Hi, in the last sessions we learned how to create table in Google Data Studio. In these lessons we are going to learn a few more features about the table, especially the data range and comparisons. Let us come back to the studio. This is the table that we have created last time. You can see here it has been written that 1 dash 100. That what does it mean? So this tells about, you see, summary row per page. Suppose we want to make it, suppose take for example 10 or 20, or suppose we want to make it 5. So this will appear 5, top 5 it will appear. Okay. So let us wait for the load, the data to load up. So these are the top, these are the 5s it has selected. Okay, or suppose we want to make it, suppose take for example 20. We can, so in a number, in a page, how many rows should appear. So this is the selection row per page actually that we can. So there is another options we can see, that is called summary row. Summary row, what does it mean? Let us click here. Summary rows means, see, so this is the grand total is added. Suppose take for example in the first 17 rows. So what is the grand total for profit? What is the grand total for sales, country wise, state wise and city wise? So this has appeared now. So these are the features that Google Data Studio has given. So row per page, suppose we want to see like 10, 5, 15 like that, you can see. Okay. So suppose take for example, it is ascending order or descending order. Take for example, all these things will come also, ascending order or descending. So our take for example city, we will take it to city. Take for example city. Okay. City in this ascending descending order, take for example Z to A, it will appear. Z to A, it will appear. Suppose take for example we will see, instead of city states, we want to see ascending or descending Z to A. Suppose take for example we will make it as ascending order. So we can, these options are already there in Google Data Studio. Okay. Suppose take for example sales, I will take it to like sales. Sales will see ascending order. So this, we can see ascending order or descending order. Sales wise it is descending order. That means United Kingdom, England, city London has made highest sales. So here when we see all these things, this is the source data. Okay, this is the source data, that initial lessons that I have explained. uh, so this is London city, from country United Kingdom, state England has made the maximum number of sales and with profit is this much. Okay. Similarly, we can also sort, like take for example profit we can sort. Okay, profit we can sort. As far as profit is concerned, you see United Kingdom, London same. So it is also the highest profit it has made. So this is how we can use these options, sorting options, whether we should see it as in ascending order or descending order. Okay. So then we have the secondary sort, like take for example we have seen it city, then you will see it something like country. Okay. Profit which country wise we will see. Let us see country wise, we see country, and we have said country in descending order. So country, this is United Kingdom, then profit, maximum profit, then Austria has made maximum profit. Okay, then Spain has made maximum profit. All this is how we can sort one by one. Suppose take for example we have default date range that control. We have it, we can see it, the comparison data range, date range. Okay. Suppose take for example we want to see a particular period data. Okay. So how we can make a selections and we can compare this period with the previous year selection. Take for example, suppose take for example we have, like take for example we have, we'll see 2013 data. we can see the 2013 data. 2013 January 1 to 2013, 2013, take for example 2013, here we have 13, and from December 31st. So 1 year data we'll see, okay, like January 1st 2013 to December 31st. So what is the sales details, country wise, all these things, so we can filter, apply. So for a particular country, you can see for a particular country, so this is country wise, state wise, city wise sales and profit for a uh, particular year it is showing. Okay, we can see also it is for 1 year. We can see, suppose take for example, we want to see it for, suppose we want to see it for fixed period, take for example, or previous period, previous year. Okay, we can see also previous years also, we can see that is. So this is the comparison range we can see normally. uh, Suppose take for example, we want to put a fixed, like September to 7 days, last 7 days, 11 or 1 month, 7 days. Okay, like fixed period, take for example September, it is what we'll do. We'll make it a change because 2022 data is missing. We'll see 2013 once again. 2013, suppose take for example January 1st to 2013, 2013, January, okay, this is 8. So 7 days, 8 days data, suppose we want to use, we can also filter, apply. So this is the total sales profit per country wise, state wise, city wise. Okay, sales and profit we can see in this. So in this lessons we learn a few more features like about tables, like sorting options, we got it. Secondary sorting options, we got it. Okay, then auto date range we learn, and in the next lessons we are going to learn a few more lessons about the tables. Thank you.